Let's start off by quickly pointing out what's happening with the index, because now we certainly are seeing the selling pressure kicking in. At the day's low, 62.50 has not been maintained on the index, and we're at 62.33. But more importantly, let's also touch upon the macros. You've got the rupee, which is continuing to weaken against the US dollar, and it's down nearly 24 paise, since the close that we witnessed yesterday. The increased dollar demand from the importers, that is what is clearly affecting the rupee. The dollar index, though, has weakened to levels of 8.5 versus 8.7 just yesterday. But it continues to remain above the 80 mark for the fifth straight day. Bond yields, that's at 8.7% thereabouts, and it's versus a level of 8.73% yesterday. And since the 1st of November, you have seen an up move of close to 15 basis points in the bond yields. The call rates have eased and ranging between 7.75% to 8.75%. But more importantly, it's the equity markets which are now losing their sheen, Neeraj.
So yeah, by the way, it's not just the Nifty. I think the CNX mid-cap index too is now trading in the red. Mind you, it was outperforming by a margin. It's still outperforming, yes, but it's down in the red for the first time in the day today. So just watch out for that. The broader end of the market too is taking a knock. I think the market breadth would have worsened as the day has gone by, so not looking too good. The small cap index too has come off quite rapidly in trade. Still in the positive, but has contracted for sure. On the large cap space, it's metals like Sterlite, which is corrected 2.5%, and banking, which has taken a knock. So IndusInd Bank, State Bank of India, Kotak, PNB, all of these stocks, the banking names are down, and the bank Nifty aptly down close to over 1%. And amongst the heavyweights, while ITC may be in the green, Reliance, Bharti Airtel, a couple of these stocks, as well as ICICI Bank in the red. ONGC is too in the red. So that is putting a bit of pressure. Mind you, speaking about banks, I think oil and gas, aside of the oil marketing companies, aren't having a good day either. ONGC, Reliance Industries, and a couple of others are trading with a fair bit of red on the screen too. So not looking too good.